if you can't say syndications, if you can't say IRA-owned entities, and if you can't say private lending, and you're not excited, then you're in the wrong Zoom room. Okay, so let's talk about what this is. This is the presidential executive order says democratizing access to alternative assets for 401k investors. Now, everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, that's complicated." Well, let me break this down. For purposes of this order, alternative assets means private market investments, including direct and indirect interest in equity, debt, or other financial instruments not traded on public exchanges. This is startup companies, folks. This is startup IRA-owned LLCs. My next one, Jim, this is the one that gets me just wiggling all over the place in excitement. Number 2, direct and indirect interest in real estate, including debt instruments secured by direct and indirect interest in real estate. This is private lending from your retirement account, folks. Next.
From a regular employer plan 401k.
Regular employer plan 401ks now being told the Secretary of the Treasury, and by the way, that man is the guy that wrote the order killing the Corporate Transparency Act. Corporate 401ks are now being told, make it available to where these people can lend money on real estate. Make it available where they can invest in ETFs that invest in cryptocurrency. Make it to where they can invest in directly and indirectly in projects financing infrastructure development. These are huge deals. Section 1.1 or Section 3.1 and point 2 and point 3 are the top 3 that are my favorites because it's cryptocurrency, it's private lending, and it's IRA-owned entities, startups, beginning companies, all sorts of things. It is just exciting, exciting, exciting. If you can't say syndications, if you can't say IRA-owned entities, and if you can't say private lending, and you're not excited, then you're in the wrong Zoom room.